ESCO Security has proven to be the local experts when it comes to burglar alarm, access control, fire alarm, and security camera systems. We pride ourselves in excellent customer service, quality installations, and listening to our customers' needs. ESCO Security can custom design complex systems for commercial or industrial applications, but also support the needs of our residential customers. Your family is our family. Our UL-listed central station takes care of monitoring your system while you enjoy peace of mind and the convenience of a virtual keypad, as well as being able to monitor your system from your mobile devices. ESCO Security can take over your existing system, service and perform required testing to make sure everything works as it should. ESCO Security values local businesses and understands the importance of immediate response, unlike national brands with call centers. ESCO Security has been protecting area homes and businesses since 1984.